Welcome to Dubai!
Welcome everyone. How's everyone doing today? Now this is a leadership meeting.
So great to see so many people here from so many different parts of the world. We're all working together, all pushing in the same direction, all sharing the same dream.
I think a lot of people don't realise the disconnect between wealth and money.
Just like you're working on your income and you're working with your money and you're working with your wealth, please don't forget to work on yourself as a human being.
Congratulations everyone, the company is officially launched. Of course, yesterday we had the event, today we party, we have a very, very good time.
You know, if you really want to become a leader in Validus, you have to focus on Emerald, guys. Let's set the bars a little bit higher, okay? Let's raise the bars.
From the bottom of my heart, thank you very, very much for coming here. We had amazing 3 days here in Dubai, and it was a pleasure and honor to host all of you guys here. And I know this is not the last one, we're going to have many, many more.